So I've now been in lockdown for 4 months, and I've been shaving my head. I took my system off myself and shaved my head, and I've got a new system coming on today called the air system. So I mean, I'm not looking great, but this cap has done me the world of good. So I'm off to get my system put on for the first time in ages, and I can't wait. So here I am, just come out of the hairdressers. Feels good, great system, like really cool, really thick as well, but not too thick so it looks unusual. I'll just do that, in case you want to see all that. So yeah, great, I'm back.